So I'm going to show you how to use voice typing on your Galaxy Z Fold 8. So first thing you want to do is go to the keyboard, okay, keyboard settings. And you can do that either from the keyboard itself. So with the keyboard launched, you can tap on the settings icon and then scroll down on the Samsung keyboard settings. Of course, I'm assuming you're using a Samsung keyboard as your default keyboard. So you want to come here, scroll and find voice input. Tap on that, and then you can choose whether you want to use Samsung voice input or Google voice typing. For most people, that's going to be Google voice typing. And once you select that, now you can have voice typing allowed on your keyboard. So anytime you're on your keyboard, you should be able to see a little microphone icon in the bottom left corner. You tap on that, and now it's going to start listening to you and typing for you everything you are saying. So that is basically how to use voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.